We will create this logo jumping animation inside DaVinci Resolve Fusion page. By the end of this video, you will be able to generate this logo animation and learn how to use Spline for making the animation smoother. You will learn why some weird problems happen while adding soft glow and what is the solution, and how to make transparent background or change the background and use same animation in other projects also. So open the edit page of DaVinci Resolve. First of all, set your project settings to 60 frames per second for smooth animation, and resolution as you want. I have selected Full HD. Create a new Fusion composition and change its duration to 2 seconds for this animation. Then drag and drop onto the timeline and open it in Fusion. Now add background node, connect it to the media out. We can change the background later if we want. Let's change its color to off-white. Now add the main image of the logo. Merge it on the background like this. Add a transform node and make the logo smaller by reducing the size. Now add another transform node. We will use this for animating the logo. Now add a keyframe on the X and Y axis at the very first frame, then at the frame 60, then at the very last frame. Now on the first frame, bring the logo down until it disappears from the frame by decreasing the value of Y-axis. Now copy the value of Y-axis and paste it at the last frame. You will get this animation of logo coming up and going down. Now we need to animate the rotation of our logo. Now add keyframe on angle at the very first frame and rotate the logo by -90 degrees from this angle option. And at the last frame, change the angle to 90 degrees. Now we have created this type of animation. Now we just need to change the curves in the spline for smoother animation. With the transform node selected, go to the spline panel. Click on these 3 dots and enable Show Only Selected Tool option. Now enable the node on which keyframes are added. This will show the curves. Now click on this Zoom to Fit option to see the full curves. Press Ctrl or Command on the keyboard and use the scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. You can also close the Inspector tab to have more space to work. Let's turn off the angle, which is the curve for the rotation of the logo. This pink line is for the up and down movement of the logo. We will make a S-curve to get smooth animation. Let me explain this curve. These 3 dots represents the very first frame, the frame 60 and the very last frame. And the straight line means the speed is linear. It means the speed remains same during all the time of the animation. If we make the curve steeper, the speed increases and the logo moves faster. And if the curve is flatter, the logo moves slower. So we want the logo to move faster when it comes in, then slow down for some time and again go down faster. So I hope you understand. This is little difficult for me to explain this. Select all the points and press S on the keyboard. This will smooth the animation. Now by selecting this little dot and move to upwards or downwards as shown in the video to make S-curve like this. Just play with the curve and try to get smoother animation as you want. You can use Ctrl or Command Z to undo. And in case you spoil the shape, always remember you can select all the points and click on this linear option. This will make the line straight, and now you can start again. Similarly, turn on the angle curve. Select this Zoom to Fit option. Select all points and press S key on the keyboard. Select first point and move the handle upwards like this. Select second point and move the handle downwards like this. Now the animation is ready. You can see it is now looking smoother and professional. Now you can add soft glow if you want to enhance the look. Just search for soft glow and add it here between the transform and the merge node. Change the glow settings according to your logo. Just play with these settings and see what works for your logo and what looks the best. You may notice some weird things happening here at the bottom, just after adding the soft glow effect. And if we select the merge node, we can see the glow is only affecting our logo image, which is inside this green rectangle. This is happening because the size of our logo image is smaller than the background image. To fix this, just select the soft glow node in the inspector panel, change the clipping mode from frame to none. Now it's looking good. If you want to change the background, just bring your background and replace it with this background. There is another way, which I personally use the most. Just select the background node, decrease its alpha value to 0. Make sure its color should be black. Just decrease its alpha value to 0. It will make the background transparent. Now you can use this logo on any background, or any video, etc. Add that background and move the logo clip on top of the background clip. And if you want to save this animation with transparent background, you need to have this clip on a separate track. Now go to Deliver tab. Select Custom Export. Change the codec to DNxHR. Now you will see an option to export alpha. Then export the video as usual. But if you want to export only one clip from the timeline, change the render option to in and out clip. Then go to starting point and press I on the keyboard, and press O at the ending point of the clip. Then you can export the video. Now if you are working in any project, you can add the video we just exported with transparent background. So it's very simple. These are some other videos that I made using this effect. I just replaced the image of logo with text. So at last, if you have learned something new from this tutorial, you can like and share this video. You can support this channel just by subscribing. It is totally free of cost. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.